Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start English grammar class. You can take out an English grammar book, chapter 12, page number 40. In chapter 12 you can see verbs. So what is verb? Verb means calm. The word which one used to show some activity are called verbs. So verb is a doing work. It shows activities like playing. She is playing, we are going to eat. So these are the works that we do. So it shows our activity that we do. So it means this is a verb. The word which shows one used to show some activities are called verb. Like this examples are there. She laughs, he reads, he drinks, birds fly, he eats, she prays, he plays, he swims. So these are the activities: reads, drink, fly, swims, plays, sings, sleeps, talk. So these are the verbs. The word which shows our activity, these are called verbs. For example, the words in red color shows action. Those words are in red color, it shows action, what we are doing. Okay, all these words are verb. So this red color, those who are in red color, all these are verbs. All these words are also called doing words or action words. These words we can say activities words or doing words or action word. It shows our actions, it shows our works, it shows our activities. So we can say the word we use some activities or doing words are called verbs. Next page. Now first form verbs, second form verbs, third form verbs. First form. The first form of the verb is called present verb. For example, present, eat. फिर अभी हम लोग जो कर रहे eat, they ate, like I eat, they eat, the boys ate a mango. For example, I am giving you the example, eat, present, they eat, or I eat, the boys eat, the boys eat a mango. Okay, now past. In past tense, for example, you can see ate, eat, present tense, eat, past tense, ate. The second form of a verb is called past form. For example, I ate or she ate. Okay, so these are the examples that we use in a past form. Now past participle. How we use in past participle? Eaten. I have eaten. I have eaten a mango. Like this. This is a past participle. The third form of a verb is called part participle. The first form of a verb is called present form. The second form of a verb is called past form, first form, second form and third form. So first form we can say present form, third form, second form past, third past participle, like this. For example, fly. The birds fly. So the birds fly. Next, flew. Second form, flew. The birds flew. The birds flew away. The birds flew away. दूर गया चिड़िया. Okay. Now next, third participant, flown. The birds have flown away. The birds have flown, F-L-O-W-N, flown away. So, first form, second form and third form. You can make this sentence, you can make the words like this for a sentence. You can make the sentence also. Past participle, first third form, second form is past form and first form is present form. Okay. So, you can read from your book also. Eat, fly, flow, find, feel, fight, ask. These are the present form. And past form, in past form, second form, ate, flew, flowed, found, felt, fought, asked, arose, bought, bet, bit, bled. So, these are second form. And third form, how we pronounce? Eaten, flown, flowed, found, felt, fought, asked, arise, bought, betten, bled, caught, catched. So, these are the third form. The first verb of the first form of a verb is called present form. The second form of a verb is called past form, and the third form of a verb is called past participle. Okay. Now, next page you can see verb ing. How we use ing? When we using, the boys are playing. The Mohit is reading. Boys are flying kites. Like this we use ing. Okay. Now, take the correct option. Ragini in Delhi. So, Ragini is a singular form. Is in singular form. We use Ragini lives. Ragini lives in Delhi. Karan does football. Karan plays football. I does milk Delhi. I drink milk Delhi. The peon does bell. The peon does the bell. The peon rings the bell. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with the correct verb. They does in China. Lives or lives. So, subject, this is the third form. They is a third form, third person. So, we use leave. Because of the third person, we use leave. Okay, L-I-V-E, leave. He plays football, P-L-A-Y-S, plays. He plays football. I drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. I drink. A rabbit runs, R-U-N-S, runs. Karan goes, G-O-E-S, goes. Karan goes to school, Delhi. Neha writes. Neha writes a letter. Okay. So, subject in the third person, this is a third person, they. Because of a third person, we use a verb will be plural. Okay. Now, in next page, you can see there, match the following. Match the following. A cat, he, Ankita, bell, Rohan, duck, fire, lion. So, a cat meows. Cat कैसे बोलते? Meow. He plays. Ankita dance. Rohan walks. Bell rings. Dog barks. Fire burns. Lion roars. The sun shines. So, in a match the following, match the noun with a verb. So, this is a noun and this is a verb that we have matched. Okay. Now, in next, you can see there in next line, complete each sentence with the right doing words given in the box. For example, I am giving you some examples. Eating, walking, barking, playing, drinking, jumping. Puja is drinking. Like this, you can do this. So, there are some examples. I gave you one example. You can do yourself by yourself. Okay. So, exercise A, exercise B and exercise C, do this in your copy, and exercise D you have to do yourself. So, we have finished the chapter. Verb is doing work. There are there are forms of verb: first form, second form, third form. First form, the first form of a verb is called present form. The second form of a verb is called past form, and the third form of a verb is called past participle. Okay, how we use this present, past participle? I gave you the example. So, for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.